Hey there, welcome to Matt's Garage and another Mercedes repair video. Today we're going to be changing the rear left signal bulb on this 2006 ML350. I got a warning message on my display on the dash, and also I had the hyper blink when I went to signal left, so I already knew I had a burnt out bulb, but the dash told me it was the rear one. So we'll just pop the hatch here and figure out what's entailed in removing the tail light there or whatever. Maybe there's an access panel. Oh yeah, this ain't no peasant SUV. I'm gonna take a wild guess that maybe I need to remove this panel. Looks like I have to remove that, so those just have a flat blade. Just a flat blade. I'm just gonna use my Swiss Army knife. It's not moving. That one moves. Oh, there we go. It was already unlocked. The access to the tail light bulbs and everything is all right here. So, the center white one here. Anyways, all these are the same. You just this one's giving me trouble. You just turn them counterclockwise, and I think I'm just not getting rough enough. There we go. Gotta get pretty rough with it. Okay guys, here's the real problem. For whatever reason, that little contact there, which has to make contact with the housing here, it's, you can see, maybe you can't see, but it's all kind of turned color and burnt, so it's not making good connection. So I just have to clean that up. I'll pop a new bulb in as well, but it doesn't look too bad here. I just have this little wire brush. It's like a stainless steel wire brush. And I'm just gonna scrub that contact really good with it. You can see it shines right up, and I doubt we'll have a problem again. I'll clean up the other side as well, and then we'll put it back together with a new bulb. So these bulbs can only go in one way. They have these pins on the base. You line up with notches in there. You push them in, and then you just turn them a touch and they lock. And then you want to wipe your greasy fingerprints off of there. And then I believe it can only go back in here one way as well. See, it's got a big tab and a little tab. So we just line those up, and there we go. We should be good to go. Something else you could consider as a maintenance item is removing those other lights and scrubbing that same contact area on them with a little wire brush. So this panel, okay, it just looks like those kind of fit down in the bottom there, and yeah, it just kind of sits there until you lock these. Which I think that one, oh, somebody turned that too far the wrong way. There we go. I got that working again. See, on the back side, it's just like that. And so somebody had turned it over here, and it had kind of locked over there. But I got it back, so it should work properly now. Don't have to get rough with these plastic things. See, the other cover hooks down, and that locks it in, and then the same thing on the top. It's got those locks. There we go. So there we go. That is how you change your tail light bulb. Any of them, I guess, in your Mercedes ML350. I'm not going to make another video for doing any of the others. It's exactly the same procedure, just a different light bulb. And of course, test your light after, but your smart Mercedes is going to tell you if it's not working proper. So thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for plenty more helpful videos like this, and have yourself a great day.